because of what we did, companies, large and small, that produce renewable energy can...
Because in the end, we recognize that no corner of the globe can wall itself off from the threats of the 21st century, or from the needs and concerns of fellow nations.
We can't prosper by putting off hard choices or by protecting the profits of the few at the expense of the middle class. We're off to a good start.
That's why we're laying a new foundation for our economy, so that when our troops return home and take off the uniform, they can find a good job, provide for their families, and earn a college degree on a post-9/11 GI Bill that will offer them the same opportunity to live out their dreams that was afforded our greatest generation.
These costs are also hurting business, as some big businesses are at a competitive disadvantage with their foreign counterparts, and some small businesses are forced to cut benefits, drop coverage, or even lay off workers.
This weekend is a time to get together with family and friends, kick back, and enjoy a little time off. It won't be easy, and there will continue to be those who argue that we have to put off hard decisions that we have already deferred for far too long. She was dropped after she'd already gone off her other insurance.
These are flaws in the system, just as Washington has done year after year, decade after decade. Or we can take steps that will provide every American. I've heard from so many who have had to put off retirement or come out of retirement to make ends meet. On comrades, tearing off bullet-riddled clothes to treat the injured, using blouses as tourniquets, taking down the shooter even as they bore wounds themselves. We saw soldiers bringing to bear on our own soil.
But for those who were laid off last month and the millions of Americans who have lost their jobs in this recession, a good trend isn't good enough.
It would give the health insurance industry even more leverage to fend off reforms that would protect patients. They just need a little help securing the financing they need to get off the ground. And patients get the care they need when they need it, and young adults getting the security of knowing that they can start off life with one less cost to worry about. At long last, this is what healthcare reform is.
1 month ago this week, BP's Deepwater Horizon drilling rig exploded off Louisiana's coast, killing 11 people and rupturing an underwater pipe.
Normally this time of year, rooms are filling up and tackles flying off the shelves, but who don't need them and didn't even ask for them, but they object to helping folks laid off in this recession who really do need help. And every day this goes on, another 50,000